Hello friends, welcome to the new video of react.js. So currently I'm facing one of the issues. So you can see that the error is this one digital invalid routine is unsupported, and you can see that my current node version is 18. Okay, and here there is a mismatch between the node version that is 16. So this project can't be run on that latest version, right? Whether you will need to upgrade this project, or if you want to run this project you need to change the node version. So okay, so what did the trick? Let's have a look. So currently node version is 18, so I'm going to use nvm ls. So currently I will switch to my node version 16 and let's see if it is working or not. So I'm going to use nvm use this version. Okay, so node version is 16, then I'm going to use npm start. Okay, so you can see that the project is working and there is no error. So the issue is the npm version. So if you find such kind of things, so you need to just downgrade the version or use the nvm. You can switch the version. Okay, that's it. You can solve this issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Have a nice day.